Categori Cyflogwr y Flwyddyn 2020, Employer of the Year 2020 category. Yn y drydedd safle Mai, in third place, Admiral. Y cyflogwr sydd wedi dod yn ail yw, in second place, Elfennau Gwyllt, Wild Elements. A'r cyflogwr sy'n ennill gwobr Cyflogwr y Flwyddyn 2020 Cymraeg Gwaith yw, and the employer winning the Work Welsh Employer of the Year 2020 award is Grŵp Colegau NPTC, NPTC Group of Colleges. Mae grŵp colegau NPTC wedi bod yn rhan o'r cynllun addysg bellach Cymraeg Gwaith ers 2017, gydag oddeutu 850 aelod o'r staff yn dilyn hyfforddiant Cymraeg. By'r tîm gweithredol a'r tîm uwchreoli yn gefnogol iawn o'r dechrau, gan annog staff i ymuno â'r cynllun. Mae'r staff hefyd wedi cael eu hannog i fynychu gwersi preswyl Cymraeg Gwaith, yn ogystal â gwersi amser cinio a gyda'r nos. Yn 2018, fe wnaeth 83% o staff gwblhau'r cwrs croeso ar-lein. Mae'r holl staff ar draws y campysau bellach yn cyfarch a defnyddio brawddegau Cymraeg yn hyderus. The NPTC Group of Colleges has been part of the Work Welsh Further Education Scheme since 2017, with around 850 members of staff following Welsh language training. The executive team and senior management team have been very supportive from the outset, encouraging staff to join the scheme. Staff have also been encouraged to attend residential Work Welsh lessons, as well as lunchtime and evening classes. In 2018, the college achieved 83% of staff completing the online Cwrs Croeso Welcome course. All staff across the campuses now greet each other in Welsh and use Welsh phrases confidently.